Hello, it's Monika from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and in today's video I'm going to show you my take on hashtag PMA Craft Challenge for November. This challenge is hosted by Monika from PaperMona, and every single month is dedicated to a different letter. As it is November, the letter is N. That's why I decided to create a card in the shape of a nutcracker. The Christmas is coming, so I thought this would be a good idea. I got SVG file from Design Bundles, and if you want to check it out, I left the link in the description down below. And also, if you click on it, you actually have 5 different designs for different 5 nutcrackers. But to be honest, that one was my totally favorite. That's why I decided to use it for today's project. To put all my elements together, I'm going to use one and only liquid glue, magic glue, because I do have time to maneuver all those elements. And to cut all those elements, I actually used the card I got from Lidl couple of weeks ago. And this way, it's going to be very sturdy card because every single piece of card is 270 GSM. So we're going to have very nice dimension for all those layers. And I absolutely love shaped cards. So when I saw this SVG file, I thought, yes, today is the day to actually create a nutcracker card. You can also put it as a Christmas tree decoration, or you can also put it on a flat surface, on a desk or on a shelf. The choice is absolutely yours. As I said before, I always wanted to create a project with a nutcracker, so PMA Craft Challenge was absolutely amazing to do it. And as you can see, this card comes together really quickly. But with some of the elements, I decided to add a little bit more interest by, like in this case, using alcohol marker. And I'm going to use grey because this panel is grey, but I wanted to give it more interest. And this way, we're going to have a little bit more texture on the card. So whenever you create any card with SVG file, yes, you can use any markers, aqua markers or pencils to add a little bit more texture, and this way your project will be even more interesting. And I wonder, have you ever created a shaped card in the shape of a nutcracker? Because this is totally new for me, and I use my ScanNCut machine to do it. If you have electronic machine, please let me know which one you have it and how often do you use it for shaped cards. As you can see, this card comes together really quickly, and it was so much fun to create it. Later on, I'm going to show you how to add even more interest on the whole project. And what's really good about SVG files, you can make them as big or as small as you want. So yes, you can use this project as a card, or you can use it as a Christmas tree decoration. And what's really good about this, you do have space to write your message inside. And now it is time for that, let's say, skin color. And again, I'm using my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, to put all those elements together. And if you have never ever heard about hashtag PMA Craft Challenge, it is hosted by a friend of mine, Monika, and I left the link to her YouTube channel and also Instagram, where you can check all the other projects. All you have to do is to put hashtag PMA Craft Challenge, and if you want to take part in it, you have to create the project and please put that hashtag PMA Craft Challenge, and you can put it on any social media you want. And what's really good about this, when you click that hashtag, you can actually see all the other projects other crafters have created, and trust me, they are absolutely amazing. So I do encourage you to check that hashtag PMA Craft Challenge. December is coming, so I have to decide what I'm going to do next month for the challenge. But you still have time to take part in it for November. So if you want to do it, I do encourage you, because it is so much fun to check what other crafters have created and what you can come up with. The only thing you have to keep in mind is to use something that starts with the letter of the month. So it is November, so you have to use something starting with the letter N. And for December, you will need to use something with the letter D. Now I'm putting white at the very back, and this will be my back panel. And later on, I'm going to use exactly the same white, and I'm going to create the card base. It is super simple, and you can use that trick for every single shaped card. As you can see, our Nutcracker is nearly ready. It has lots of dimension, and now it is time to use my scoring board from Crafter's Companion and use the same white panel for the back. You just have to create a top flap, fold it, score it, burnish, and just to make sure that it looks professionally finished, we have to use the scissors to cut the ends off. And this way, trust me, it will be beautiful. But as you can see, there is still something missing on the Nutcracker, and I'm going to show you exactly how to finish that card, which is super simple and it really takes no time. The whole card took me about 27 minutes to put together, so it is pretty quick, and it's very unusual because how often can you see a shaped card with a Nutcracker? To add a little bit more sparkle, I'm going to use clear overlay from Spectrum Noir, and when this dries, it is so beautiful. So if you have never ever used it on your projects, I really hope today is the day. And in the description down below, I also left some links, and if you use them, that really supports my channel, so thank you so much. So when this is ready, the only thing that's missing is the ice, and to do it, I actually went to Poundland last year and I got googly eyes, and I've got loads of them. The only thing you have to do is to choose the proper size. As I told you, I got them last year, so I still have plenty for more projects. When this is ready, I'm going to use my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, to put the ice on a Nutcracker. Super simple and quick. And what do you think about my finished card? Do you like it? Do you like the sparkle? Or have you ever created a project with a Nutcracker? Don't forget to check #PMACraftChallenge, and thank you so much for watching. Here you can see Monika's take on PMA Craft Challenge for November and my other projects. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in my next video. Bye for now!